and northern Europe, there is a large island adjacent to the North Pole. This is why there is a lot of snow. This is the Scandinavian peninsula. It consists of 3 countries, Sweden, Norway and Finland, and in the far north of these countries, the sun only appears for a few weeks. The rest of the year, these areas are located on the polar night, when it is covered with darkness, and during the period when the sun appears, it never sets, and this period is known as the midnight sun. From this region, the Norman invaders slipped and invaded the European coasts, and they were known as the Vikings. They used long oar sailboats to cross great seas and rivers. The largest country in the region. The country of Sweden. Its capital is Stockholm. It is a rich country, but its population is very small. As for Norway and its capital, Oslo, it is a mountainous country surrounded by many forests. Finland is known as the land of lakes, for the large number of lakes it contains. And in the far north of the peninsula extends the tundra. It is an area covered with snow most months of the year. Your shade is devoid of trees, only the plants that grow there only appear during the short northern summer. The ancient Scandinavians knew about writing, and they had a special writing that carved out its shapes in stones. It was called the secret writing. Similar types have been found in South America, indicating that the Scandinavians preceded Christopher Columbus to discover the American continent. The shores of the Scandinavian peninsula are distinguished by their intermittent shape and their high mountains overlooking the sea. As for the valleys resulting from ancient glaciers, the seaside stretches for tens of kilometers inland under the sea-shaped like sea bays that serve as natural harbors. Fishing is the most important activity of the people in Scandinavia. There are a large number of ports which accommodate many fleets of fishing vessels. They regularly transport tons of fish. Most of it is for export to other countries. After drying or salting in private factories, the many forests of Scandinavia produce enormous quantities of excellent quality timber, as, due to the large number of lakes, the farms in Scandinavia are characterized by being isolated from each other, so that small private jets have become a common means of transportation there. In the far north of the peninsula there are marine animals such as elephant seals and seals, which make tourists love to watch and take pictures of them. In this region called Lapland lives a people of nomadic shepherds. They are tribes of nomadic shepherds who raise ibex and always move in search of areas where herds of this animal abound, and these shepherds are distinguished from others by their beautiful clothes traditional.